Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so now in this video today, I decided to put together a vignette with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So now if you see that white tray there, I got it at the party section of the Dollar Tree. Absolutely beautiful tray, and you can spray paint it whatever color you want if white is not your color. Then we have that neck scarf, that fairy neck scarf. I got that at the Dollar Tree also, and that makes a really nice overlay for the tray. Now, did you know that every time you click the like button and full watch a video and even share the video, this helps me to grow. And then commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Oh my goodness, so let's go back to the tray. So I added that vase in the back. It's a DIY with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And then I cut out using the Cricut, the little Harlequin pattern. And so by the time I was done, I decided to make this a candle, a double wick candle, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So of course we have to add some pumpkins, and we added an apple, and then we added the sunflower. This looks absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this tray, and I hope that you guys do too. Okay, so we lit the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think that candle came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm thinking about making a second one. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.